everyone. Welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today, we will bring you the FSTpipe stainless steel clamp type equal coupling operation. The materials and tools are stainless steel pipes, stainless steel equal coupling, spanner, lubricant. Remove the pre-installed bolts. And take out the sealing ring. Apply the lubricant to the inside of the sealing ring sleeve. Insert the grooved stainless steel pipe into the sealing ring and put the sealing ring into the equal coupling. Lock the upper and lower covers bolts with a spanner. Then the installation is completed.